Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday met with Bharatiya Janata Party-led NDA's presidential candidate Droupadi Murmu and said her nomination has been appreciated across all sections of society. Droupadi Murmu will file her nomination papers on Friday. Welcoming the NDA's decision to choose Droupadi Murmu as a presidential candidate, Adivasi Jan Parishad Chief Prem S. Munda on Wednesday said that the opposition parties should learn to include the tribal communities in the primary roles and appealed to them to unanimously elect Droupadi Murmu as the next president of India. The Adivasi Jan Parishad president also stated that no person from the tribal community has so far been elected to the highest office in the country. Droupadi Murmu is a former Odisha minister who was declared BJP-led NDA's presidential candidate on Tuesday. She is the first presidential candidate from Odisha of a major political party or alliance. She continues to break barriers and was the first woman governor of Jharkhand. She served as Jharkhand governor from 2015 to 2021. The voting for the next president of India will kick-start on July 18th, while counting will take place on July 21st.